Hi guys, welcome back to the Drive Life channel, and today we're going to be talking about how I pretty much replaced the front of this car for 50% off what it should have been. So this is going to be sort of a little thing that you guys can do to save money on repairing your cars. If you remember, the front bumper of this car was completely broken. There was a big sort of gash here from where the previous owner had hit something, which I think was why it was cheap at the auction. All this was broken and bent up, all this was broken as well. And we also didn't have any of these headlight washer covers, so and even these grills were broken in the middle. So what I did basically is I just bought an entire new bumper, and total cost for that was £340. It was an eBay job, just happened to be perfectly the same colour, everything like that. And obviously it's quite expensive to just fork out £340 on a brand new bumper for your car. So there's a few little tricks I did to sort of get the price down. So the first one was I actually fitted it myself. So it was obviously free to fit. It wasn't too difficult. It took me about 2 or 3 hours max, just because I didn't really know what I was doing, to be honest. But as you can see, it's fitted and it's sort of damage free, and this is actually in very good condition. This bumper is actually from a 2013 S80, whereas obviously the cars are 59 plates, so it looks slightly different as well, which is quite nice. It's got quite a unique look now, with it being a 2013 but 2009 car, if that makes any sense. So it's got a slightly different grille here. The bottom grille is slightly bigger. That's pretty much the only difference you'll notice. So yeah, what do I do to save the money? Well, essentially the grille came with the bumper came with all of these grills intact. So this is actually the grille from my old bumper, which is currently in sort of the graveyardy bit over the back of the garage. Yeah, essentially what I did is I took the grille out of the old one, the new one, and replaced it with the grille from the old one, because it's the D5 grille, whereas the grille out of the new one was the D3, so it was actually slightly blanked off. But I was just concerned about cooling and everything, so I just thought, for peace of mind, I will replace the grille and transplant it in, because I think it will just makes it look a bit better as well. So I did that, and then we also removed these are the original ones on this new bumper, but I removed the other ones from the old bumper, as well as the fog lights. And this is where sort of I've managed to save the money, is because I've then actually sold them off to make a profit. So the grille here, I sold that for £80, which obviously knocks a nice chunk off of the 340, took it down to 260. I then sold these fog light surrounds from the old bumper for £55, which took us down to £205, which is a massive saving. I then have got these for sale, these fog lights here. They'll fit any XC70, V70, S80 of this generation, and they're for sale for another £60. So in total, I would have knocked 100, and how much would I have knocked off? £220 in total. So actually, if you guys sort of adopted this to other parts, it's quite easy to do, really. If you're buying a new interior, you can also sell the old stuff, and actually, if you sort of use that approach when buying car parts, sort of body panels, etc. I appreciate it's different if you're buying tyres, because obviously you're not going to be able to sell your old tyres, but for anything else, it's definitely worth seeing what other people want, because it turns out these grills are actually quite rare with the ones with the big Volvo badge on. So that's why I was able to charge a bit more money. I could have charged a lot more money, but to be honest, I just wanted to get them sold. So yeah, if you guys sort of are looking to do any sort of body work, bear in mind what you could potentially sell and salvage, because actually, like I said, it's easy. We just put it on the Volvo forums, and it's sold within, everything was sold within 24 hours, apart from the fog lights. So if you want any of the fog lights, just let me know. I can post them. It even comes with the bulbs as well. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. It's just a little anecdotal tip that you guys can adopt to save a bit of money when repairing your car or anything like that. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.